Supermums journey started almost a year ago in February 2025 when I started the February Ultimate Supermums Admin course. And before that, I had taken a career break for 5 years to take care of my family, and we relocated to France. But a couple of years ago, we moved back to the UK, and I helped with this transition. But then I realized that I wanted to go back into the workforce, so I started looking at different options, and I came across the Supermums program. I had worked before my career break for 15 years at American Express, doing business analysis and performance analysis, and I had worked with Salesforce. I had been involved in my team in some of the implementation of Salesforce and also with Tableau. So I was a bit familiar with the system, and I thought retraining in Salesforce and in the tech industry would be a really good option for me to get a job flexible enough to allow the flexibility that I needed for my life and my work-life balance. So I started looking at the Supermums program, and I had thought about taking the certificate on my own, but looking at the program, I realized that it's not that easy to do the certification on your own, and the program gives you a framework, a structured framework for your learning. You have an instructor with live sessions. You have homework and a mentor that helps you with that homework, and you actually have practical work. So it's not only that you have theoretical knowledge, but you apply that knowledge into building things, which is really cool. And also something that really attracted me about the program was the work experience that you are offered at the end. So in my case, I started working for a charity in a small project, and this is really good to add to your CV and to help you with this transition into the workforce. And another couple of points, we've mentioned this before, but the networking that Supermums gives you, not only the other alumni, which, they also are placed in different companies, so they can really help you, but also the events that are organized. It's really good. And finally, and it's something that perhaps I didn't use that much from the beginning, but Supermums has a really good career advice service. So from the beginning, when you start doing the course, you can join these career advice sessions that Heather organizes, and so you can start looking at your CV, at your LinkedIn profile. Heather will give you advice. And this way, by the time you finish the course, you'll be ready to start your search in a much better position. So I would, encourage you to take advantage of this as well. And I mean, going back to my sales Supermums journey, I started my course in February. I graduated. I took my certification in July. Then I did my work placement that I completed in November. And then I started collaborating with Supermums, and I started a new role in January. So I've been just in this role for a couple of weeks, and it's really, really exciting. It's been really full, lots of learning, getting to know lots of different products that Supermums is using, and at the moment, Supermums is really focused as well on AI. Um, so from we've been doing a bit of business analysis of in the company, and even with this, we're using AI tools to help us map these processes. And from February, I will be involved in the building of an agent, Salesforce agent, which is really exciting for me to start this. Um, yes, I'm really excited about all these opportunities, and it's a really good moment to start looking at all these different AI opportunities and AI products that are out there and that can help companies to improve their efficiencies and make us more productive. So yes, I can only recommend the course. They are really helpful with providing you advice, helping you, supporting you with the homework. And for me, it has really helped me with this transition. And they are really nice as well.